No, I did that on purpose.
But what? Damn, I didn't know. I didn't know what to say. I got stuck right there. I ain't know. Wait. Oh shit. Okay. Smash this. I'm ugly. Need a haircut.
What a napkin. I got it.
Yeah, give us some.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put a little bus in there.
Mm-hmm.
I think tacos, got the best tacos.
Hell no.
You said hell no.
It's good, but it ain't that good.
Who got the best taco?
Tacos.
They got tacos here?
No. Let me get a bite of your burrito. Yeah.
I really wanted to bite of that taco you hear.
Where's your app?
Better do it. Like your auntie said.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna bear do it. Well, not bear do it. And won't bear do it. Man. I gotta fuck this motherfucker up. So I want one of them tacos you had.
It's your Luther?
Give me a little bite. That chalupa had soft and hard, right?
It's like flatbread. Damn. Look at your thumb. Look at your thumb. Look at the bread. Look at your thumb.
I'm not gonna eat. Just eat, Shay. I'm hungry, bro.
Let it. You gotta open my motherfucking face.
Hey, I'm hungry, Shay. I'm hungry. I don't care about no thumb and no burrito. Eat. I'm ready to eat. Take a bite. What you doing? What's wrong with you? Don't touch your nose and touch my stuff. It's fucking weird. I'm trying to take over my stuff. Yeah, fix it. Yeah.
Who texted you? Who the fuck is Adore? Who the fuck is Destiny? Who the fuck is Destiny?
Bad. I'm vlogging.
Yeah, you do it to me. I'm trying to help. You a Wait, I need my phone. Thank you. You didn't even say thank you.
We ain't even done eating yet.
So you still
Taking a bite of that?
No. Where's the sauce? They got the best sour cream. I don't like Chipotle. Hate Chipotle, but that sour cream.
What? Hurry up, so I can get a bite.
No.
Yeah. I ain't getting a bite of my shit. I'm gonna get a bite of your shit.
No.
No.
That big fat ass burrito. Yeah, yeah. This is this little small baby ass taco. You're not getting none.
Hey, I'm gonna give me a bite. Get a bite, baby. Hey, let me get a bite of that.
So good. Go together.
Yeah.
No.
I let you have mine.
No, but you put your thumb in people's stuff.
I'm all right.
No.
Lightly. Okay.
Get your motherfucking ass out of here.
Hey, come on, man.
You was good about one shit.
Hey.
You thought you was getting some. What that do for you?
But
Nothing.
it's good.
Who the fuck is Monet?
What are you looking at?
Boo! No, bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put it down.
I'm gonna do this dirty.
Put it down.
My viewers not gonna like you. Why is she so mean?
I be playing.
Okay.
Swear to God, I be playing.
I know you do.
Where's the trash? Dang.
You gotta throw it away, man. Go find the trash real quick, man. You hilarious, you know that? Why you so hilarious? Bro, yesterday the cops, I was like, what the hell?
Yes, I was so scared.
Yeah, I was like, why is the cops right here?
I'm thinking, like, are we doing something illegal or what?
You think they seen us?
I mean, I'm sure they did.
Somebody got pulled over. Came down. Yeah. Got work tomorrow.
Come on, dude.
5 in the morning.
Oh, there go trash.
Come on. I don't know what she talking about.
Excuse me.
Yeah, this little vlog for y'all. Mukbang. Sorry, my girlfriend's been mean and stuff. But, yeah.
That was nowhere near a mukbang.
By myself mukbang. You don't want to be in it, but I throw this away. You like you want to be in there, so look at the camera so bad. Well, yeah, I'm finna end this vlog. It's a short vlog. Alright, babe, you wanna say hi? You wanna say bye to the vlog? You ain't got nothing to say to him?
Bye.
Oh, real.
Why you got it that close up to your face?
Peace.